Woodland Farms. This is the 500-year-old house. She converted all the horse stalls into like rooms, and now it's a little hotel Airbnb. Bye. We're in Paris now. Girls are still asleep. We've arrived to our Airbnb and now we're walking to the metro to go see the Eiffel Tower, or actually go up to the summit in the Eiffel Tower. So due to pollution, the government lower the prices and they encourage you to use the metro instead. So for €3.80 we could use the metro all day. So here we go. We've made it here. Now we're gonna look for the entrance to go inside all the way up to the summit. Last time Jasmine and I only went to the second level. Now we're gonna go to the summit today with the girls. Beautiful day in Paris and everybody's out, which is awesome. We're out as well. We're tired. We've been up since about 5 in the morning. Bonjour, je m'appelle Jose in the Eiffel Tower.
What?
Je m'appelle
Alani. Jay. Jasmine.
But she doesn't have her
No,
hat.
and you don't say je m'appelle to her, you say como tu t'appelles.
Oh. Como tu tape.
Alani.
Papel.
Not tape.
¿Cuál es tu nombre? What's your name? Easy. Easy. We have reached the summit. Now we're gonna try to get 1,000,001 pictures. Quick flight over here from London, and then a bit of a confusion with the car rental at the airport, but we got our car and then hit some traffic coming up into Paris as usual. But the metro today was good. Now we're gonna find somewhere to eat. Princess Leia here.
Come sit right here, let me do my hair.
Antisocial. And that is the Louvre. This is where Mona Lisa's at. If you were to watch every painting in here for 30 seconds, it would take you a long time.
Go walk. Jay, walk. Oh my God.
I don't know what she's doing, but she looks crazy.
Abuela.